Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes, and I'm doing another week of outfits. So what am I wearing today? So today I am wearing this Liverpool jacket in green that I specifically requested from my stylist from Stitch Fix, and she came through. And with it I have paired this mint green top, as my bra strap hangs out, from White House Black Market that I purchased last year. I love mint green. I love green in general. I like the color green. Very few, maybe pea green I don't like, but I like mint, I like forest, emerald, sage, olive, you know. Green is a nice color. With it, I paired with my ivory White House Black Market jeans, and I'll back up a little bit so you can see my Sanctuary shoes. A lot of people said, oh, those shoes look uncomfortable. Absolutely not. They're extremely comfortable. And what are my plans for today? Well, I skipped the gym this morning and I ran outside, did my first outdoor run in a very long time, 4.32 miles. I do want to eventually run a half marathon. Not sure if I'm going to be able to do it or not, but I am working my way there. And then I am off now to Nordstrom Rack to do the return of the bracelet, and maybe I might hit another shopping center up. Not sure yet. All right, take care, and until next time. Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, and I'm kicking off the week. Well, today's my second day of outfit of the day. So today, I am wearing an outfit that was inspired with Style with Serena. She actually did some copycat looks from Reese Witherspoon, and it's a take on the denim on denim trend. And I've been trying to figure out how to do that trend and do it exactly. And when I saw this, I said, oh, I have all that and I can do that. So thank you to Serena for choosing this outfit for me. So what do I have on? I have on a chambray top from Calson or Caslon, whatever it's called, from Nordstrom Rack. And I got this probably like 3 years ago. I have it paired with a J. Crew blazer circa 2018 that I got actually at the outlets, not retail. With it, I have paired a brown belt from White House Black Market, my Just Black denim, that's like a straight leg from a Fashion, and my leopard heels. So this is pretty much a copycat exactly of what has Serena styled it. I think she had flats instead of heels, but it's the same concept. And I appreciate that I was given some inspiration. I went shopping yesterday and actually left empty-handed. I did buy a few pairs of shoes online, so hopefully this weekend you'll see some shoe collabs or hauls, I should say. And let's see, yeah, I was inspired by another outfit kind of similar to this by going shopping. So sometimes when I go shop, I see something and I'm like, maybe I don't like it, or maybe I have something similar, and I go and recreate the look, and I'll be doing that this week too. All right, take care, and until next time. Hi everybody, it is Tuesday, and I'm going to start off with apologizing for my lighting. It is dark and gloomy outside, and I needed both my hi-hat and my ring light, I think, today. I noticed when I step back away from the camera, it becomes very blurry without the lighting. So I decided to try the hi-hats today, see how it looks, and we'll see how the weather cooperates the next couple days, because it's supposed to be just yucky today. So last week I had a lot of different styles. So this week I seem to be going back into different decades. So what am I wearing today? Today I'm wearing this orange, pink, and navy striped knit top. It's just like a rayon or poly mix type of top, kind of stretchy, from Loft that I got earlier this spring. I have a pair with a pair of Loft jeans with the pockets in the front and the flared leg. I put on my clogs today. They're by Steve Madden. I'll take it off so you can actually see the actual clog up close. So it is a true clog. Love these. Don't get to wear them too often because it's like literally fall and spring is the only time you can wear like backless shoes like this. And I got my navy moto from Front Door Fashion on, and that is what I'm wearing today. Oh, jewelry. I have my Madewell toggle necklace and some earrings. I think I got these from a Stitch Fix. And yeah, that's my outfit. All right, take care and see you for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it is Wednesday and a rest day from the gym for me, and I slept a little bit later. So today I'm continuing with that 70s inspired theme, and wait till you see this outfit. I'm not so sure. This is a little bit bold even for me. I have on this bright orange loft sweater, and I'm not so sure if you can see these pants, but they are a pinstripe pant. They're like railroad. And I got these jeans from Stitch Fix. They're Boom Boom jeans, and I got them from the Freestyle app. For some reason, I don't know why, but in my mind, I wanted a pair of railroad stripe jeans. I wanted them, and I found them on Stitch Fix, and not only that, they were very affordable. I think they were under 40 bucks, all right? So they have the wide flare bottom. I'm wearing them with my clogs again because I need the height for these pants. These come way to the ground, like almost touches the ground even with the clogs on. Yeah, and I figured, I'm wearing this crazy bold outfit, why not put on a bolder pair of earrings? So these earrings for me are larger than what I would typically wear, and I got, the earrings were from Stitch Fix from like 5 years ago. The necklace is from Ever Eve, probably from 2020, and yeah, this is my outfit for today. Definitely very much out of my comfort zone, but it's fun, right? Yeah. So yeah, continuing on with the 70s theme. Okay, take care and until next time. Hi everyone, it is Thursday and it is 7:25 in the morning and the sun quite isn't up yet, so I have my ring light on but not my hi-hat, so we'll see how this goes. So continuing with my 70s theme, just wait, you'll see my outfit for today. So I have on this black top, it's a sweater that I got from Marshalls, of all places. No, TJ Maxx or Marshalls, one of them. I think it was Marshalls, for $20 when I was visiting my daughter at college. It's a Ellie Tahari. It's a nice, thick, quality sweater. It has the poof sleeves with a different knitting here on the sleeves, and it's just ribbed here in front. And the pants are by Sanctuary that I ordered from Stitch Fix Freestyle. I had tried them on in a store called South Moon Under. If you're not familiar with them, they're a boutique store like on the East Coast, similar to Ever Eve, but I would say the styles gear more younger versus the 40 and up age. But they still have some really cute things. They still have your Z Supply. They still have like your A Goldie, etc., Pistola. So there's still plenty of things for us to choose from there. With it, I have paired my black mules from Jessica Simpson from about 10 or so years ago. And you can see even with these mules, they have a heel. These pants are still too long, but I don't plan to leave the house today, so I'm not too concerned about that. And with it, I have paired my braided necklace that's gold and silver. And these are just real 14-karat gold hoops that I've had for years. And yeah, that is my outfit for today. I'm very excited because I've been like writing down all these spring outfits that I want to wear and put together. I noticed a lot of them require white bottoms. I have 2 pairs of white bottoms, but I don't think that is going to be enough for me to style everything I want to style. So we'll have to see. I actually do have a white skirt too, so I was just thinking about that. So yeah, maybe I'll start pairing things with some of the skirts I have versus just the jeans. But I got like a whole list of things that I want to start wearing. And I look forward to showing you them next week. All right, take care and until next time. Hi everyone, it is Saturday and I figured while I was already trying on clothes, I might as well pop on Friday's outfit and show you what I wore yesterday. As you'll see in the next clip, I had a horrible day on Friday yesterday, and I just never got a chance to film. So what did I wear? So yesterday I actually had to leave the house. I went to the gym, and then I went to my Tricious and food shopping, and it was like in the 50s. So I wore this loft sweater with my navy moto that I got from our Front Door Fashion. I'll take off the navy moto so you can see the sweater. It is navy and like an off-white, and then the sleeves are really cute. They got a little cuff there with a little turquoise and orange. So I thought that was cute. I have it paired with my jeans from White House Black Market. They're a cargo style jean. They got the pork chop pockets here in front and little cargos right here down at the bottom. And I have it paired with my Steve Madden funky booties because these are a little bit long on me, and these are the highest heel shoes I have. Yes, I'm pairing black with navy, just deal with it. And that is my outfit for Friday. Stay tuned, you'll see the explanation and Saturday's outfit. Take care and see you in another week of styling. Hi everyone, it is Saturday and it's a dreary, rainy day and we're getting up to 70 degrees today. Unfortunately, the weather outside is just yucky, so I plan to stay inside. I skipped outfit of the day Friday. If I feel up to it, I will show you that and insert it. If not, forgive me, I missed Friday. I had a very busy day yesterday. Got up, went to the gym, went to my nutritionist, did my food shopping, and then I was literally came back home and was on that computer from like 8 o'clock till 6:30 at night. Work is killing me. It's end of the month, end of the quarter, and I had people pinging me every 2 seconds to answer questions. So I was quite busy on Friday. Today I got up, went to the gym, made my peppers. I'm going to be visiting my daughter this weekend because it's her birthday, so I have to wrap her birthday gifts. We're going to bringing some of her stuff back from college, so I'm getting the big blue bags out. If any of you are familiar with moving a kid in and out of college, you know what I'm talking about. And yeah, so I'm just like hanging around the house today, doing things like that. So what am I wearing today for hanging around the house in 70-degree weather? So I'm wearing this bright pink jacket to hopefully give me spring vibes. This bright pink jacket is from Macy's INC. They don't particularly have this color jacket now unless you get lucky and they make it for spring. But they typically have it in white and denim, sometimes in black. And they used to make different colors like each season. I've seen it in yellow and I've seen it in like a light purpley color. I haven't seen them in various colors lately, only the very basics, white, denim, and black. But you never know, Macy's INC, and obviously use your rewards and wait for sale. And I did get this at a pretty decent price, as I recall, probably back in 2020, 2021. It was probably 2021. Yeah, I like this jacket. I like it a lot. Very bright pink. Underneath it, I have paired this 41 Hawthorne sleeveless, you know, blouse, and the back has a little tie. I got this when I thought I was going back to the office. I thought this was a good blouse. Actually, I might have actually gotten this while I was still working, because I kind of vaguely recall wearing this while I was at the office. So yeah, it's longer in the back. With it, I have paired a pair of loft denim. These are a wider leg, kind of flares out here at the bottom, has the released hem. And I'm wearing a pair of 9 West sandals that I got from Stitch Fix. I can't recall if it was freestyle. I think it was freestyle. When I was on the quest to match pink shoes to my moto. And these didn't match the moto, but I said, wait a minute, matches this one perfectly. So yeah, this is my outfit for today. Hopefully to brighten, cheer things up. I have outfit ideas swirling in my head. So I've been watching quite a bit of, YouTubers. And like Boston Proper had some outfits that were really cute. And I saw something at Madewell I want to clone. So I have all these outfit ideas swirling in my head. And I'm trying to use what I have in my wardrobe versus buying new. So stay tuned for next week for a whole bunch of new outfits for me that it's stuff I've had in my closet. I just didn't particularly style them that way. All right, take care, and until next time.